I didn't sleep at all.
Huh? Why not?
You were snoring all night.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
I don't snore.
You sounded like a tractor.
That impossible.
I couldn't sleep.
Maybe it was something else.
I recorded it.
You? What?
I recorded your snoring.
That's not me.
That is your voice.
It sounds powerful.
Tonight, you sleep on the sofa.
I will snore there too. Hi.
Hello.
Nice weather, right?
Yeah.
I wanted to introduce myself.
Go ahead.
My name is... What?
What? What?
Yes.
What do you mean, yes?
That's my name.
Oh, no.
I'm a man.
I can see that.
Yeah, right. I'm also nice.
So far, not really.
I live in a house.
Everyone lives in a house.
I have teeth.
This is getting worse.
And I have money sometimes.
What do you actually want?
I just wanted to get to know you. It is not coming.
You already pressed it.
I am helping it.
It does not need help.
It needs encouragement.
It needs patience.
I am pressing with patience.
Now you are pressing with panic.
It will arrive faster.
We are still waiting.
I will press again.
It heard you the first time.
I'm making sure it doesn't forget.
It won't forget.
I do not trust its memory. The elevator has arrived.